So today, I'm going to talk about 10 websites which are going to help you generate such kind of income, especially as a beginner. So combined, these websites have the potential of making you $100 every single day, with the potential of making more as you grow and grow. So, let's start with website number 10. So, this website is called SurveyTime, and what I do on this website is not service, trust me. It's because I'm an affiliate with this website, so I had to recommend this website link in my description box. So, how it works is when you become an affiliate for SurveyTime and you promote it to people, whenever they do surveys and they earn money, you earn an equal amount without actually performing the surveys. So imagine if you had similar websites where you are promoting different service sites like this one or different programs like this one, and you were making maybe 5 times the $7 every single day. So, SurveyTime combined with other websites which I'm going to mention right now can make you $100 every single day. Let's go on to website number 9. At number 9 is a website called ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network where you find different affiliate programs to promote. So, as a beginner, if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, I would say go for those niches which you know are in need, and a lot of people are not even talking about them because all the other programs are being promoted everywhere. So, your chances of being successful and making money are there, but it can be really challenging because now you're competing with more experienced people. If you are a starter and you want to promote an affiliate marketing program, I would say go with an evergreen product. It's good to also do trendy products, but always have an evergreen product which you are promoting. So, website number 8 is a freelance website called Fiverr. So, this is where you can find different gigs and you can also post different gigs. So, how to make money with Fiverr is you can go in there and advertise your skill and maybe look for different gigs which match your skill. So, if you are able to do photography, design, edit videos, write articles, whatever skill or digital skill which you have, even the skills which you have to do offline if they are advertised on Fiverr, that is a great way of making money. The great thing about Fiverr is that the people who advertise different posts, they are companies. So, the possibility of getting a long-term contract or a long-term relationship with the company you're doing a gig for is really great. There's a company I was doing subtitling for, and I worked with them for over a year because of the relationship which we had established through Fiverr. So, there are such opportunities on Fiverr to generate passive income. This is also a marketplace where you can go and sell your different designs, your different services to other people as a way of generating passive income. Now, building that kind of passive income or passive income through freelancing can take a long time and a lot of effort as well, but it is totally worth it. Let's move on to website number 7. Website number 7 is the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as Amazon KDP. So, if you enjoy writing, you can become an author and self-publish on this website. However, even if you're not an author, I'll show you another website where you can find free books which gives you the right to publish on this website. So, through the program, you can self-publish books and sell them on Amazon. And what's great about it is that you can publish fiction, non-fiction, depending on what your interests or your talents are. And if you've been wondering how to make $100 a day without investment, this is another website which I would recommend for you to start. The best part is that you can opt for direct deposit as your payment option, so there's no minimum payment threshold. You can withdraw your earnings at any time. But this website does give you the potential of earning $100 every single day with your book, and of course, over time, you have the potential of earning more. So, if you're not an author but you still want to make money selling books here on Amazon Kindle Publishing, there is a website that offers you free books for you to download. It's called idplr.com. But this is a website which has got over 12,000 downloadable products, and some of those products are free. But if you want more premium type of books to download from this website, you may need to pay a subscription. But you don't have to. They've got a lot of free resources, free books, free documents for you to download, and you can legally sell them on Amazon Kindle Publishing. Website number 6 is Google AdSense. And when it comes to legit ways to make money with Google, their AdSense program is without a doubt the best option. So, if you have a blog, you have a website of some sort, or even with your YouTube channel, you can put ads on it with Google AdSense. It's pretty simple to use this website to make money. What you'll do is you add a pre-made code onto your website, and you'll have ads appear that make you money. The more visitors you get, the more money you earn online with Google AdSense. You'll be paid every month or monthly. However, you can make $100 every single day on your Google AdSense account with your website, with your YouTube channel, with your blog, or anything like that. The great thing about this website is as your audience grows, your revenue grows. So, that $100 has got the potential of growing into more money on a single basis.